Hello, everybody. I know it's me, your David Show over here. Stay on the show. So this is gonna be a short video. I have some news for you. All right. So remember last time when I upload this, the chainsaw dance, which is the other one. Yeah, and let's go to YouTube Studio and just wait. Let's wait for a minute. It's copyright claim. Look at this. What? I literally said this. It's copyright claim, which is it's everything. I think everything is not I don't know, but it says it's copyright claim. So yeah, that sucks. But except this wasn't copyright claim. But this was copyright. I don't just like this I can't even say. Like it's copyright. And how? Maybe it's a song. And this is from yesterday, I think. I don't know. So yeah. I made this from I think yesterday. And today, that's today, I keep posting on YouTube. Imagine not subscribed. So cringe. I'm not just saying it's so cringe, but so cringe. All of these videos that I made aren't. Yeah. Also, this failed. Upload failed because I don't know why. But I still make videos like these, also with my phone, but not some trash and so David, what? And also, this wasn't in 16 views. What's the matter of you? Why are you here? Alright, and 3 views. What? Hold up. Yeah, so, also, if I'm 10, I literally said this last time, but I'm gonna say it again. If I'm 10, I'm literally gonna go live. By playing Among Us with subscribers. If nobody watch the stream, I'm literally gonna end the stream. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm literally gonna stream in 10 minutes. Not gonna lie, I'm literally gonna stream for 10 minutes because I just said it on chat because if I'm 10, literally gonna do. Also, if you want me to play B-Hop Go, I only did one and I have an upload of this game right here of B-Hop Go. So yeah, also we're doing Minecraft later to use, but it's not the speedrun. It's different. Our new world, it's different. Not gonna lie, it's different. And I'm not gonna show you because I'm gonna do this video later or tomorrow. I don't know. But I'm gonna do the Minecraft thing at 3. Hold up. What time is it? Well, it says 11 a.m. but today is 2:11 p.m. So I think I'm gonna do with this video. I'm gonna go to this vid. Why? I think I'm gonna upload at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna upload. So yeah. So stay on the show, guys, and I can't believe that the freaking another what's it called again? Hold up, guys. Oh, the second chainsaw dance. So yeah. Also, I'm not gonna do a meme day, I guess, because I'm not gonna do a meme. Because if anything goes wrong with the memes, I'm literally not gonna do a meme day. Yeah. So, bye guys, and stay on the show. I don't have to do that. Do I really have to do that?